How do you factor an entire term to the outside of parentheses? When this happens, you simply leave a factor of 1 inside the parentheses. Recall that you can always multiply by 1 without changing the value of a number. 5 can be written as 1 times 5. 64 can be written as 1 times 64. And z cubed can be written as 1 times z cubed. Let's look at an example. Factorize 3x plus 3x squared. The first term contains the factors 3 and x, which you can think of as 1 times 3 times x. The second term has the factors 3x and x. You can now pull the common factors 3 and x out from inside the parentheses. In the first term, you're left with just the factor 1. In the second term, you're left with x. You get 3x plus 3x squared equals 3x times the expression 1 plus x. To confirm that your answer is correct, you can multiply 3x by each term inside the parentheses. 3x times the expression 1 plus x equals 3x times 1 plus 3x times x, which again equals 3x plus 3x squared. You use the same approach when dealing with expressions containing negative terms. We'll look at this example. 4ab minus 2b. The first term factorizes into 2, a, and b. The second term factorizes into 2 and b. So the common factors are 2 and b, which means that you'll have to leave the factor 1 when you pull 2b out of the parentheses. The result is 4ab minus 2b equals 2b times the expression 2a minus 1. When you factor an entire term outside of parentheses, you leave the factor 1 inside the parentheses.